Hello everyone. Today, I'm diving into an incredible opportunity for all the parents out there looking to secure a bright and prosperous future for their daughters. It's called the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, or SSY for short, and believe me, it's something that you might want to consider. Now let's break down what SSY actually is. Initiated under the government's Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, SSY is a special savings scheme tailored specifically for the girl child. If you're a parent or a guardian of a girl who is 10 years old or younger, you can set up an account in her name. Why should you be interested, you ask? Well, for starters, the interest rates are impressively higher compared to regular savings accounts. We're talking about a solid way to grow your investments over time. But that's not all. The real kicker here is the tax benefits. The amount you deposit annually can be deducted under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, up to a limit of Rs 1.5 lakh. And it gets better. The interest you earn and the maturity amount are both tax-free. Yes, you heard that right. It's a triple tax exemption. Imagine this. By simply saving regularly in an SSY account, you're not just securing your daughter's future financially, you're also giving her the freedom to dream big. Whether it's higher education, starting her own business, or any other ambition, SSY helps pave the way. But remember, the key here is consistency and starting early. The earlier you start, the more your money grows, thanks to the magic of compound interest. And the best part, you're doing this while enjoying significant tax benefits. In conclusion, the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana isn't just a savings scheme. It's a powerful tool to empower your daughter, ensuring she has the financial backing to chase her dreams and achieve her true potential. So consider this as an option. It's a small step today for a giant leap in her future. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please share it with other parents and let's help secure a bright future for all our daughters. Until next time, keep planning and keep saving.